Hello, my name is Öney and I'm here representing the Turkish delegation participating in the Science and Cooking World Congress to be held in Barcelona between the 8th and 10th of November 2021. The Turkish delegation has 3 members. Chef Maksut Ashkar, known for his innovative interpretations of Turkish cuisine; Gökmen Sözen, organizer of Gastromasa and many other events in Turkey, bringing gastronomic circles from all around the world together; and myself, a food writer, columnist, and a radio broadcaster, but I like to describe myself as a curious researcher with a background in architecture and archaeology. Together we will be presenting you this root. It's çöven in Turkish and gypsophila in Latin. It has great saponification qualities. In Turkey, we use it in traditional helva, tahin helva, which is made from tahini, and it gives this crumbly, flaky texture to the helva, almost a chalky quality. And it also makes a great foam, as seen here. And in Turkey, we use it to make an eggless meringue to top a traditional, again, cookie from Southeast Turkey, where actually our chef Maksut comes from. Together, we will be presenting you tastings, give all the information about the past of this and the traditional use of this wonderful root, and then explore the possibilities, the future possibilities with Maksut's creations, and discuss the sustainable future of this foraged root for a plant-based vegan confectionery item. So don't miss our presentation on the 9th in the morning. And hopefully we'll all be together in Barcelona meet in person if the pandemic allows. So hopefully till Barcelona, goodbye.